In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money online in 2021 with no previous skills, no knowledge, and most importantly, no money. So I need you to stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video so you can see exactly what I will be doing this year to earn extra income on the internet. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, smash that like button so we can get this video out there. And if any of you are new here, my name is Austin. We talk all things entrepreneurship and making money online. So the methods you see in this video are methods that I personally use to generate revenue on the internet, and I will be also continuing these in 2021, and you can get started as soon as today with these methods. So take a look at the computer. You can see I'm on a website known as Udemy. I don't know if you know what this website is, but it's an educational platform where you could either learn or you can sell your knowledge. So again, I said this video will be for people that previously don't have previous knowledge, but you could also learn. So check this out. If we go to Udemy, you can see there's a ton of different categories right here, like development, business, finance, IT, office, personal development, design, so many different things. So you kind of got to decide what you want to do, what maybe skill sets you have, and what you would be interested in showing or helping other people. So let's take a look at this. Like, for example, let's use the word like Photoshop, right? I'm sure most of you have heard of Photoshop. Photoshop is a photo editing tool. Maybe if you're into photography, editing photos, maybe you already have a knowledge, a skill or something that you already have. But for the sake of this video, we'll use Photoshop. Another thing to compare this to could be something like Excel. Maybe you're a data analyst or a data entry person and you've used a lot of Excel spreadsheets and stuff like that. But like, take a look at this. So say you want to do Photoshop and you want to learn Photoshop and you have no knowledge whatsoever. You can see these people are selling courses for $140, $175, $100, $140. There's a bunch of different prices here, and you can see the reviews. There's 22,000 4.6 star reviews, 17,000 reviews, 17,000 again. And I previously mentioned, you could do this with no money. So like if you look on the left-hand side over here where it says price, you could click this drop-down menu and you could click the word free. What this will do is filter out all of the programs that cost money and only show you results that are free. So now what you need to do is you need to come in here and start, click Photoshop Fundamentals. It's a free course. You can enroll now. What you need to do if you don't have the skills or the knowledge in a certain tool or software that you're interested in, like Photoshop, which is good for photo editing, and maybe that intrigues you, come in here, enroll in the course, and then attend the course, learn as much as you can, absorb as much as you can, and then rinse and repeat, go back and do it again. So go to another person's course and learn as much as you can. So once you learn these skills, you can now sell your knowledge of these skills. And what I mean by that is you can create your own course, kind of like a lookalike of these, compile a bunch of courses, learn as much as you can, and then put your knowledge in your own words, in your own expressions out there. And you can list your courses for sale, just like some of these other people that are selling their courses for $175, $150. I highly recommend you start listing your course for free to get traction. This will build up reviews, this will build up stars, and then it'll build up reviews, and it will build up, if you take a look, when you click on this, you'll see how many students have attended this program. At any given time, you can change this price. So if this person decides to change the price, they will still maintain these 76,000 students you see here. They'll still have 5,200 5-star reviews, thus giving them more of a authority or credibility in their program. And I'm sure that's what a bunch of these other people on the first page did. So let's just go back and let's filter this price back out to where it shows the paid ones. And let's just take a look at Daniel Walter right here. Let's click his program at $174.99. He has 64,000 students just in this one program. And I believe he has even more programs. Students also bought, there's probably course content, but it shows you what he has in his course. And he has, you can see he has multiple courses, and right here it shows you he has 353,000 students. So let's just say I pull up a calculator real quick, and if he has 353,000 3,000 students. And let's just say his course is $175. And again, he probably used the free method at first. Let's just say maybe he gets $3 per a student. So like, let's say he, after Udemy takes their cut and he gets his percentage. Let's say if on the very low end of sales, he received $3 per each student that enrolled in his course, he could have generated potentially over $1 million. Again, that's being very conservative on the amount of money he generated on the sales of his course. So that shows you there's a lot of potential with this and there's a lot of opportunity. But not only does Daniel sell his courses on Udemy, he also puts them over here on another website known as Skillshare. So if you go over to Skillshare, you can put your courses out here and you get paid whenever people view the courses, depending on how long they're on the video. You get paid per, I want to say per minute or per 1,000 views. I don't remember what Skillshare's policy is, but they pay you for views. They don't pay you for selling it. And this is based off of like advertisements and stuff that run on your channel. So if we go to the search bar right here and I just type again Photoshop, you can see a bunch of people selling Photoshop, and there is Daniel Scott again. He has over 61,000 students in this Photoshop video. He's right here on this page right here. He gets 17,900 students. So you can see he is what we call syndicating his content, and he's putting on multiple platforms and generating revenue streams for more than just one platform for essentially the same content that's already created. So that shows you the power of being able to create your content. And if you don't want to create your content and you don't want to be in videos and you just want to use your skills and the knowledge you learn to generate revenue, stick with me to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how you can do just that with a few other platforms. But before we dive into that, I want to show you a third way that Daniel is able to generate these sales or get traffic and students to these websites like Skillshare and Udemy. So what you could do is you could go over to YouTube and you could type in, I believe his name was Daniel Scott, and sure enough, he is on YouTube. So if you click here, we're going to pause this right here. Let's go to his videos, and you can see he's doing a lot of videos on Adobe, Photoshop and stuff like that. So he has a bunch of value videos on YouTube. Thus, he can give people value and direct them over to, let's just click one of these and see in his description down below, I'm sure he's linking them over to Udemy or Skillshare. This free, buy the full course and own it forever on Udemy. So you see the very first link in his description right here of this video will take customers over to Udemy, giving them the opportunity to purchase the course on Udemy. So he's using YouTube to drive traffic over to his Udemy courses, ultimately generating him revenue from here. And then if you know much about YouTube, you could also monetize via ad revenue. And again, all of the links in his YouTube channel can be affiliate links and stuff like that, generating him revenue by driving them to affiliate offers, driving them to his own course, driving them to Udemy and Skillshare, and so much more. So I hope you see you could do this again. Like if you want to do it with Excel, you could do Excel programs, teach people how to do Excel, any of these knowledge-based skills that you could learn. And again, you could go over to Udemy, you could type it in like here, like Excel, and then you can filter it by the price for free, and you can learn a ton of knowledge, and then you can package it up and sell it yourself. So I hope that's helpful. And again, like I said, if you don't want to get in front of the camera and you don't want to create your own course, excuse me, then all you have to do is learn the skills, and then you can sell these skills as a service. And what I mean by that is like you could offer photo editing services to people. And the way to do that is to go over to a freelance website like Upwork. So like say you go to Upwork, you can sign up, let me get rid of that. You can sign up on Upwork. You could hire talent and find jobs, but let's just type the word photo shop, or photo, I guess it should have been photo editing, but I'm sure I'll find it. Photo retouching, editing. This person charges $78 per hour, and they've earned over $50,000. So if you have the skill, or if you've learned the skill of how to use Photoshop, you can sell your services or your skill sets on places like Upwork, And then you can see $45 an hour earned over $10,000, $50 an hour, photographer and designer, 2,000 earned. But you can see there's different, over 70,000 earned for product photographer for Amazon. So these are actual photographers. You probably use the word photo editing. But you can see right here, she does photo retouching. I'll show you another website known as peopleperhour.com. We could type photo. I'll just type Photoshop again and see what pulls up. No offers. Photo. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Photo. Yeah, like photo editing right there. And you can see people charge $10, $15, $10, $35, $15. They got a lot of reviews. You can hire, people will hire you. So you can list your service on here. And then another website is going to be 5rr.com. This is Fiverr. Again, you can do photo editing services on here and charge whatever you feel fit based off of your skills and your comfortable level. Just charge in $20, $40, $55, $100. These people are selling their services to other people for what they have learned. And like I said, you can learn on Udemy. If you don't want to sell your own course, I highly recommend you sell your own course. You set up your own YouTube channel and you drive traffic. So I hope that helped. If you like this video and you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button. I'll link another video around this video or in this video for you to check out for other ways for you to make money online. As always, I appreciate you guys being here and we'll see you in the next video.